Next is the landfill area. You have to find out the landfilling area required for the municipality with a population of 60,000. So there is an area is there around 60,000 population is there. You have to find out the what will be the area of the landfill. You have to determine. So first data they have given solid waste generation. So you can see here, uh, here the first one solid waste generation they are given. So solid waste generation, so that is 2000 grams per person per day. So one day one person he will generate 2000 grams, that is equivalent to 2 kg. Okay, next is compacted density of the solid waste in the landfill. So whatever the solid waste will be there, that will be get compact, it will be compacted, so that is 60 kg per metric cube. So that is given in the second one. Okay, second one they have given. Okay, that is 60 kg per meter cube. Next is average compacted depth of the solid waste. So depth solid waste whatever it is there, you have to maintain 3 meter. Okay, so next we will go for the solution. So see here, population they are given, no, write down as 60,000, and waste generated is 200 grams. They are here written grounds, you will leave it, take it as 200 grams per person per day. Okay, so totally waste which is been generated per day you need to calculate it, because that is for one, this is for only one person. Okay, so you need to calculate it for the 1000 1000 grams. Okay, sorry, 60,000 person. Okay, so that's why it is 60,000 number. Okay, 60,000 number. Okay, so apart from that, one person will be the number of the waste which is generated is 2000 grams. Okay, so 60,000, what is the numbers? So whatever it is there, that I'm showing here. So 60,000 is the total number of the population, 2000 is the one person. So what is the total number? Okay, but you are doing in metric volume, so that's why you divided by 1000. Okay, so you are doing for the for volume, so in the metric, so you divided by 1000, so finally you will get it around 1,20,000. So whatever I'm showing here, this is 1,20,000 kg per day. It is the total waste which is being generated for 60,000 population. Okay, so next is the, in the question only they are given the compacted density of the solid waste in a landfill is 600 kg per metric cube. Whatever solid waste is there, it is been compacted. So compacted density of the solid waste is 600 kg per metric cube. Okay, next you have to determine the volume. So how to determine the volume? Density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, so density of the solid waste, it is given in the question, so that is 600 kg per metric cube. You need to determine the volume, so just interchange each other. Okay, whatever it is there, you just interchange. Okay, volume has to go to numerator and density will comes to the denominator. Okay, got it? So just interchange it. Next final the equation will become, what is that? Volume is equal to mass by density. Okay, so this is what the final equation. So that's what the here we have taken. Okay, so here volume of the solid waste is equal to mass is it is been we calculated here, mass we calculated here. Okay, so that is 1,20,000, you put it here mass, and the density you put it here. Okay, you will get the volume. Okay, so volume is, it is 200 metric cube. So this is what you need to determine. The volume of the solid waste is 200 metric cube. So they are given the in the question only they are given the whatever the average compacted depth of the solid waste, should assume that one as 3 meter. Okay, it is given the average compacted depth of the solid waste, you have to assume that as 3 meter. So compacted depth of the solid waste, it is 3 meter I have taken. So area, so we know that volume is equal to area into depth. Okay, area into depth, whatever height or depth is there, that is you multiple by the area, you will get the volume. So you need to determine this area. What you do is density you send to denominator. Okay, so area is equal to sorry, area is equal to volume by volume divided by, you will get depth, you know. Okay. So finally you will get it. So area of the landfill is equal to the whatever the volume will be there, volume divided by depth, volume divided by depth. 3 is the depth. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Volume is equal to area into depth. Okay, so you need to determine area. So area is equal to volume divided by depth. Okay, volume divided by depth. So volume is, we determined that one is 200 metric cube, that is 200 metric cube. The depth, it is been taken as here 3 meter, here as 3 meter. Okay, so one is 200 is here and 3 meter is here. Area volume is 200 metric cube, you put it here. Okay, volume you put it here, and depth you put it here in denominator, you will get 66.66 metric cube. So finally the whatever the area is there, that area of the landfill which is required is 66.66. Okay, so you decide what is the length and what is the breadth. Depth is fixed in the question, that is 3 meter. Area should be 66.66 metric cube. So that's what the solution of this problem.